Hello traders, I hope you're doing well. Today we are going to talk about how to manage trades on DXTrade platform. Before I begin, just a small request. If you find the content useful, then please click on the like button and hit subscribe so you won't miss any future videos. It helps YouTube algorithm making it easier for others to discover the contents. This video is intended for educational purpose only. I'll start by creating a new workspace. I'll just name it test. Now I'll add chart. And then I will click on positions. Now I'll adjust the screen size so we can make chart window bigger. Okay. Today I found another feature that I would like to share as well. Let me change the time frame. So what I found it, like if you want to focus on recent data only, then you can move the slider to right and it will automatically zoom in as well, just like here. If I move the slider here, so you can see it, and you can move it back, yeah, however you like it, but I think it's a nice feature. So let's take a look on how we can execute trades, what is one-click trading, how to move around over like a stop loss, how to do like a partial close. So all those things we're gonna talk about it, and we'll take an example for each scenario. So currently one-click trading is turned off, so every time you'll enter a trade, then it will ask for confirmation. Here's an example. So instrument is GBP USD. I'll enter with the 2 lot size here. Let's say we do buy, and it will ask you for confirmation. And now we can specify the order type, whether you want to do like market, limit, stop, OCO. I think it's like more like a stock trading. Normally we do use it, not for like forex, but probably you can. But most of the time, like we're used to it, like from MT4, like market order, limit order, stop order. So in this case, we'll use like a market order. So we have the other options here as well, like if you want to use like a stop loss here. So what options we have for stop loss? So if you click on stop loss for protection orders, so we do see like either a setup of fixed price here, like just enter like let's say if you're doing a buy order, we can do 1.26000, and it will display like a 39 pips stop loss, and projected loss is $782, which is 0.78% of our account balance. Okay, what you can do is, let's say if you want to reduce the percentage, so what you have to do is just change the lot size, and now you can see 0.4%. so you would know exactly like how much you're risking. Say like 1.25 lot size means it's around like a 0.5%. So if you go back to stop loss, there are multiple ways you can configure stop loss. We can also do like in terms of pips. So we can do, let's say if I want to do 50 pip stop loss, and that will be equal to 0.62%. okay, like that our risk would be $625. Again, like I can play around, and whatever regarding my trading plan, if the risk I have to take is 0.5%, so I can make changes to my stop loss and also the lot size, and you can see the actual amount that you'll be risking in terms of like a percentage of balance. Continue with the other options that we have here. One is project loss. So this is a nice option, I think. So what you can do is over here, like you can specify the dollar amount, so like how much you are willing to risk. Let's say if I say like I want to risk $300 only, so then it will say like, since it does not calculate the lot size automatically like that. Normally we want to do it like in case of like a trade manager, that it automatically calculate the lot size. That feature is not there. But I mean, like still it's not bad. Like you can like play around with it, just change the lot size, like let's say again if you want to do like 1.5, and we can see percentage of balance. It will update it. All I have to do is just click here. Alright, then let's do it again. Okay, I see it. So how it is. So like we changed the lot size, but it also changes the stop loss, like number of pips, right? So since we are saying like we are willing to risk $300, so it can adjust pips, like a stop loss pips accordingly. Let's say if I use like a one standard lot, so it will change the stop loss to 30 pips. Okay, so it does it around the amount that we are willing to risk. Okay, continue. And the last option over here is a percentage of balance here. So if I select a percentage of balance, then it will automatically calculate the SL based on the risk. In this case we are taking 0.1% risk, which is equal to $100. So since position size is 2 lots, so it automatically set to SL to 5 pips, which is equal to $100. We can use the same option for take profit. So if I click on take profit here, and we have the same option: price, pips, project profit, percentage of balance. So if I can do it here, I can do like 0.2. So you can see like take profit will be set to 10 pips, so double the amount of stop loss. So I think it is pretty useful. So even though like we don't have the trade manager, the way it automatically calculates the lot size, but still like we have everything, it's just like a calculator, so we can enter the information and it can calculate it for us. So I think it is still useful. So what we are going to do is next. So what we'll do is we'll just execute a trade just for testing. Send order. Okay, and now we can see it like executed it over here for 2 lot size, and it has stop loss and take profit there. So there are multiple ways we can cancel it. If you want to close the trade, we can just simply, we can either do it from here, we can do it from here, or we can also close the trade here. So let's say if we do it from here, close, it will ask for confirmation, so close position, and it closed it. So now I will pick another instrument. We need some volatility. Maybe at this time of the day we don't have much volatility, but let's give it a shot. Cash. Okay, so this is a US 100. So what I would like to do is I will take another trade here. Okay, and what I'm going to do is I will hit sell, asking for a confirmation. So we can say, actually we can specify protection order, stop loss. I will do it in terms of pips. I'll say 50 pips, take profit, pips, 100 pips, and send order. So let's say according to our trading plan, if our position goes in our favor 25 pips, then we'll move the SL to break even. I have multiple options on how to do it. I can click on modify trade from the positions window and change the SL to 25 pips. So let's do that. So modify position, so stop loss going back pips, and we are going to change it to 25. Modify. So it changed the SL to 25 pips. So now let's say if you want to change it back, So we can again either do modify from here, or you can just expand this plus sign. So now if what I want to see is where my SL is, so let me change the time frame. Sometimes it's further up there, we can't see it, or sometimes it does not display. So what I notice is sometimes you just have to change the time frame and then you can see it. So you can see stop loss is over here. So if we need to make some adjustments, so what we can do is just click on that, and we can just simply drag it, release it, and just click on modify again. So in this way we can adjust stop loss. So there are two ways, and we can move to break even or however you want to adjust it. So if at any point you decide to close half position, then make sure that one-click trading is disabled, which is currently disabled over here. Otherwise it will simply close your trade when you'll click on close trade. In this case it is already disabled, so I'm going to click on close. So what I will do is right over here I will click on close position. I can do that, or even I can hit cross over here, so same thing. So now you can see like lots to close. So if I decide to close 50% of my position, I'll just type 1 and click on close position. So you will see like right now size is 2. So once I close it, you'll see it closed 50% on position. So in this way you can take partial profits. If you're a scalper and quickly want to execute the trades without confirmation to avoid any delay, then we can enable one-click trading. So let's do that. We enable one-click trading and activate it. And let me close this trade for now and close it. See, since we have enabled one-click trading, it did not ask for confirmation. So there are multiple ways to execute trades. You can simply click on buy sell option right over here on our chart here. You can do like a buy or sell from here. So let's do that. So let's say again if we do sell, so it didn't ask for a confirmation or anything. Okay, so now we can close it. Like all we have to do is go under positions and we can simply close it here. If you use this option over here to close it, even though one-click trading is enabled, but it will prompt you. So like right now, so it asks you to confirm it. If you don't want to do that, just simply go under positions and just close it, and it won't ask you for confirmation. If you need to specify stop loss and take profit while one-click trading is enabled, then all you have to do is just right click and click on buy or sell, and it will give you the option like for specify stop loss, take profit, order type. Even though like one-click trading is enabled, but it will still ask for confirmation. So I think this is still a good option. So we have a multiple option to choose it from. So while scalping, if you still want to get the option to close your positions partially, then simply disable one-click trading and you'll get the option to partially close your position. So here's an example. So let's say we click on buy here and we enter with a 2 lot size. So for example, you like enter the wrong lot size, or maybe you say like a trade is in profit and you want to take like 50% of your like position, you want to close it. So what you have to do is simply click on one-click trading, disable it, come down here, click on close trade, and over here we can specify lot size to 1 and close position. And now again, if we need to enable one-click trading, we can do that again. So anytime we want to just do buy or sell, we can do that without getting any confirmation here. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more content like this. If you have any requests for content you would like to see, feel free to drop them in the comments below. We love hearing from you and creating videos that address your interests and questions. Your support means the world to us. See you in the next one.